Hey everyone, this is Justin here at Protocol 80. I'm a growth consultant here, and I want to take a second to walk through this new pricing tool that we have on our website. So, if you're thinking about hiring on a marketing agency to come in and assist with different activities, one of the first questions you're probably asking is, how much is this going to cost me? So, we put together this tool to kind of give you a very transparent and thorough understanding of what are the activities we can do, but then how does that translate to how much you are expected to invest on a month to month basis. So typically we have three different types of partnerships. The first one is going to be our inbound partner. This is going to be a more robust, comprehensive partnership where we're doing the majority of your marketing activities. Typically, this is for companies that have a very small team that have limited resources or no marketing team at all. And we're functioning as kind of an external marketing team for your company. The second one is going to be a solutions partner. So that is going to be a partnership where we're just taking a few things off of your plate and doing those in conjunction with your existing marketing team. The third one is going to be a project partner. So this is not going to be an ongoing retainer like the inbound partner or solutions partner, but these are going to be things like a website project or a trade show initiative or different things like that, where we come in, we assist with that one project, and then we let you go. You can come back for additional projects or move into one of our retainer models as well. So as you scroll down here, you'll see these three different tabs that talks about the three different partnerships and what those activities are. And one thing I do want to note before I move on too far is if you need to remember what each of those is, you can hover over each of them. You'll get that little turnaround card and see kind of a longer explanation of what those are. So say you were thinking, all right, I have a pretty good marketing team here, but there are a handful of things that we need to take it off our plate. I'm probably going to need a solutions partner. So we'll click on solutions partner here and we'll see an example of all of the different activities that you can have us come in for. If you need a definition of what that actually is, just click here. You'll get a drop down and get an explanation of what that activity will look like. So say you're looking to do a solutions partner. I need someone to help with PPC and social media and email marketing. So as I clicked on each of those, you can now see that I am getting a pricing estimate on what that will cost, and also oh, I don't want PPC anymore. All right, it's only $1,000. Or say I'm a project partner and I just need someone to come in and onboard our HubSpot and train us. You get an estimate there on what that would look like. Or say we need an integrated website and we need it migrated from another platform, and we get it there. So you can kind of go through here and see what each of those is going to cost with those explanations. Then all you have to do from there is click discuss your program. You'll get a little drop down menu where you fill in your information and you'll get a meeting with someone from our team to kind of talk through your estimate, make sure everything matches your expectations, and then get you a formal proposal and quote to see what next steps can look like. We hope that this is a helpful tool for you as you're exploring what a marketing partnership could look like. If you have any questions, please let us know.